So here I'm discuss about the LinkedIn campaign structure. So LinkedIn we derive for the three options, three type of ads. But the three ads will be depend on your company page. Without company page, we can't create your ads. LinkedIn will derive for the your company page followers. Without company page, we can't create your ad. Now here, just go to works. Your option call is advertise. Here, the option call is create ad under contact sales. So I'm going to where option create and add. Now, get started. First of all, add account. That is called your search by name or enter URL. That is only for your based on your LinkedIn company page. Without company page, we can't create ad by where LinkedIn is very important. It knows. Without tweets, we can't create ad by where Twitter. Without LinkedIn company page, we can't create ad by LinkedIn account. Company page is mandatory field. So my company page is called searching for digital Rakesh. Come here. Now select it. Account name holder and my currency is India. Click for add account. First time go to the work, advertisement, create ad, add your account. Now here, write down ad types, sponsor content, nothing but text ad, sponsor content and text ad, and a sponsored email. Sponsor content, text and sponsored email. Write down first option, sponsored content. Promote your content. Promote your content with the targeted audience based on location and target audience, comma, etc. Comma, etc. Second option, text ad. Drive your traffic. Drive your traffic. Your website. The first option. Second one, increase your company page followers. Increase your company page followers. Third option, sponsor email. We can send mails on our connections. We can send mails on our connection. That is called sponsored email. Same like email marketing. So these three we can promote using for LinkedIn. This all will be belongs to only one option. We can promote our website. These are options are age wise, university wise, company wise, company size wise, and selected age wise. These are options are there in LinkedIn. But option is company name, company size, designation, skills, experience. These all captured by your LinkedIn. Any campaign depended by your age, company, company size, skills, and university and your study. These are options will be created by your campaign. It's clear? This is for three campaigns for your LinkedIn structure. What is that? Sponsored content, text ad, and sponsored email. So without company page or creating ad in LinkedIn, we can't. The company page is mandatory for LinkedIn account. They not create the profile. The profile created by company page to create by 3 ads. Sponsor content, text ad is nothing but only for text, nothing but search network. Text nothing but search network. And sponsored email. That is called email ads. This is for LinkedIn campaign structure on 2018.